Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to see how we can sign up to be a notary on BlueNotary. So from our BlueNotary homepage, we're going to go to Sign In. So on this page, we don't have an account already, so we want to go here to Don't Have an Account, Sign Up. So we're going to click here. And we're going to have to put in some information. So I'm going to type in my first name, my last name. I'm going to put in my email address. And I'm going to ask for a new password. So I'm going to use this strong password. I'm going to sign up. Oh no, my password is missing a special character. So I think I'll try a hashtag. So I'm going to use this saved password and now I'm going to sign up. So I should be getting a verification email at my email address. And here I need to complete my BlueNotary registration through my email. So what I'm going to do is click here to confirm my email address. So this page is asking me to choose my account type. I'm a notary, and so I'm going to click this box here, and I'm going to press Next. So now I'm going to create my profile. So it has my first name, my last name. I'm going to choose my state. I'm in New York, so I'm going to scroll down to New York. I'm going to type my notary commission number. Right now I'm just going to enter zeros. I'm going to choose a commission expiration date. So let's say it's going to end July 31st, 2026. And how did I hear about BlueNotary? I'm going to say Other. And I'm going to create my account. Oh, I missed the county. Let's see what county I am. Currently, I'm sitting in Orange County. And the city I'm in is Monroe. And now I'm in my home dashboard and I'm ready to start under the free plan as a BlueNotary remote online notary. I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.